Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna get an exhaust sound test on the Corksport Axleback for the 2020 Mazda 3 hatchback. The car is really new, so there's really not too many videos on it, but luckily my really close friend Angel has the Corksport Axleback exhaust for her 2020 hatch, and she's also on lowering springs, so you can kind of tell. Actually, it's a huge difference. You can tell that she's lowered because stock height is super high. But yeah, let's get into the cold start and hopefully get a few revs in. So I know that was a bit of a shorter video, but we definitely have future plans to kind of modify her system because she does want to have more sound and more, bass in the exhaust note. So we're thinking to swap the resonator to a smaller one and a higher flowing one. But anyways, hopefully you guys liked that video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next upload.